Enjoy the video.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be digging a little further into the GoPro, but first I got some bike mail. Okay guys, got the first piece in today. Let's see what's in it. There we go. SanDisk 32 gig, 120 megabyte per second, class 10 SDHC for the GoPro Hero 2. So I took it out of its package. It comes in this neat little plastic thing here. It's got like a seal on it. So there we go. There's the new card for the GoPro. Now we're just waiting for the battery, and I've already got the cord. And I'm going to order a replacement lens because I don't know if you can see it. If you look at the lens, there are a couple, now it's hard to see, right here. There's a couple little scratches there. So there's going to be a foggy spot on my videos, but it's like $6 for a replacement lens. So I'm just going to replace it and then we'll be up and running. And like I said, I've already got the thing installed on the helmet here, so it's good to go. And then I drilled a hole here so I could pass the microphone I made through there, and it plugs into the microphone port, and then it goes up under here. So I'll be able to talk to you guys, and you'll be able to hear things a lot better, and you won't just hear wind all the time.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, this is a test of the internal mic inside the helmet. This is with the window closed, and this is with it open. See if there's any difference. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. It wasn't very long. Next one will actually be ride footage because I should have the battery in by then. So stay tuned for that one. And in the meantime, feel free to watch this video right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Catch you on the next one.